Guess it really showcases my legs, and also this power stretchy band really emphasizes my waist. So for now, this skirt seems to be one of my favorite ones, and I will see. Well, probably there would be something else that I will like, but for now, this one is easily the best. Well, I guess it's time for the experiments, and now I'm going to turn on the fan and see if it's going to be appropriate for the windy weather. Well, just like all of the sun skirts, this one is super easy to be blown up. But probably you can make the shorts out of it. Well, now as I'm just standing, it's okay, but if I walk by, everything is clearly seen. But I'm also curious how it's gonna look without any pantyhose. Let's do an experiment and see how it's gonna look on me. Oh, when you wear pantyhose, they at least cover something, but without any, my panties are clearly seen, so I don't really recommend it to you. Alright, we're moving on to the next skirt for today, and just a quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And of course, I'm not only going to just simply put it on, we are going to do this fan experiment and see if you can wear this in the windy weather. So at first glance, this skirt seems to be pretty much the same, and I'm actually surprised to see how greatly it looks on me. I mean, it really fits me well and it emphasizes my waist, and I also love this stripes design, and I like it that they are not just horizontal, I don't know, they look kind of crooked, but that's the beauty of it. And as for the fabric, it seems to be made of a thicker one. Well, it's pretty different from the first one. The first one seemed like foil or something like that. Well, this one is more, it reminds me of wool or something, so